Hi, I'm Mel and I'm an illustrator, artist and teacher living in Nottingham in the UK. I started drawing patterns as a daily mindful drawing practice when I was going through a difficult spell in my life. As my mindful drawing practice grew, I began to bring in elements of colour, shape and composition through using collage, which I found had even more impact as the tactile qualities of drawing on paper, combined with the physical process of cutting out shapes, really allowed me to get completely absorbed and quiet my busy mind. And this is what I want to share with you in this class. If that sounds in any way intimidating, then please know that this class is designed for everyone. Even if you haven't drawn since you were a kid, each step of the process is simple, playful, and it will allow you to explore drawing, colour and composition in a very accessible way. We're going to start by taking a look at colour and how to choose colours to cultivate the feelings you want. Then we'll use these colours to draw simple patterns using repeating marks and shapes whilst practicing some mindful drawing techniques. We'll get in touch with our senses through meditative paper cutting and then explore how composing our collages in different ways can elicit different moods and feelings. And you'll finish the class with a collection of small but beautiful abstract pattern collages which you could frame and hang on your wall or maybe gift to a loved one, as well as a host of mindful drawing and collage techniques which you can incorporate into your daily art making or just revisit every once in a while when you need a little extra self-care in your life. So if that all sounds good, let's get started.